Now for our special focus on MCD elections, and one of the biggest issues that residents in Delhi face is parking, especially when it comes to finding parking space in Delhi's crowded markets. The MCD in charge of parking in the area has promised as many as 100 multi-level parking lots across the city, but most of these projects have been caught in red tape and stalled. Now with elections to the corporation around the corner, Delhi's residents want to know what the corporation can do to ease parking woes in the city.
If you're wondering why I am shooting this at the back of a car, that is because me and Sandeep Gupta here with me have been trying to find parking space in Lajpat Nagar and the market for the last 30 minutes. And I can tell you that we have completely failed at it. That is because it's a huge market and there are huge parking problems in this market. This is the case across Delhi in many markets, in many residential areas. Parking is at a premium. Has the MCD, have the political parties in charge of the MCD done enough about parking? Let's speak to Sandeep and find out. Sandeep, what do you think about the parking situation in Lajpat Nagar? You come here regularly.
Parking situation is overall really bad, and if you're talking of Lajpat Nagar, it's really bad. You know, the planning was never done in a way that parking was taken as a priority. The roads were commercialized by every political party to win over vote banks, but never ever this thought was given that parking needs to be arranged as well.
So at the moment when you come into Lajpat Nagar, how difficult is it for you to find parking space?
Parking itself, it's a nightmare, and whenever we get a parking, it's like a delight, you know, that we found a parking in like then 15 minutes, 20 minutes, like we have been going around in for half an hour, we've not been able to find a parking. Even if you on Sunday evening, if you find a parking, it's like a treasure.
You see, the people in charge of the corporation, the BJP or the Congress even, have been saying that they have sanctioned innumerable parking lots in the city. An automated parking lot was supposed to be built even in Lajpat Nagar. Do you think the pace of work from those who man the corporation has been satisfactory?
If we were to go by the promises given by the political parties, you know, the parking lots would have been ready by now. The very fact that these parking lots are not there shows their willpower, that they are not probably very serious about about this issue as such.
One more question, Sandeep. What about your own responsibility? You see, now there is the metro, there are other modes of transport. There are many who would say that, you know, even people should not be buying so many cars. Every day 700 cars are being added. The government says that they might impose a tax on this, they might increase parking charges. Would you, as a consumer, as somebody who owns a car, would you be prepared for all of that?
Yes, I would. We would take our responsibility that way, but government has to do its work, and we have to do our work. So we are ready to do the needful, but the basic amenities need to be provided by the government. The very fact that they cannot run away with the fact that the consumers need, the customers or the residents need to do this, and the government needs to do that. It's a coordination between both of us.
So finally, from all those who are contesting the elections, to the BJP, to the Congress, what do you have to say regarding parking?
Parking has to be taken up very seriously. I mean, it's not only it has to come out of their manifestos, and the ground reality should show that yes, they have built in parking lots, whatever, even if they need to take some harsh measures, but the results got to show.
Do you have the NDTV Profit app? All the markets, all the news, and your own homemade, ready-made portfolio available there for you.
We will right now answer what you should sell, what you should buy when markets are down.
Download at ndtvprofit.com/apps. Get the best app from the channel you trust.